Hello everyone, Sam is here from MyForexMagicWave.com. Decided to make this video to show last week recent new Magic Wave entries and according to my analysis and before charts which I sent out to my subscribers. Instead of making those small charts because it takes a lot of effort and time to make those charts and then post them. I have to upload them on my website, then change the size and this and that. So just want to make a small video which is more explanatory anyway. So let's get started without wasting any time. First chart, pound Aussie daily chart. This pair has been under control and giving us a lot of pippage. I'm just going to show it to you. This is I'm tracking all these moves. We traded the down move and up move and all that. So it's here on the 17th, and I said if we drop below 83, then we go to 81.37. These are the numbers: 83.15, 81.37. These are horizontal levels, which I found. I have my own way to find these things, and and this is what I teach in my webinars to my subscribers, how to find these numbers, because I'll just show you how precisely they act as support and resistance. Plus the trend lines, the channels. So this is one study involving trend line, channels, and SNR levels. So basically, was the plan. Go below 83, then we go to start shorting and go to 81.37. So next thing you know that we dip below this number 83.15 the next day, and then I start shorting here from 1 minute chart. All these my entries here, and we start dropping all the way down to 81.37, right? And then start retracing. Once this SNR level hit, either as a resistance or support, you always have a reaction because of the profit taking, and the buyers and the seller comes in because all those pending orders sitting there. So 81.37 reacted, and we went back to 83, and then see. And then again, I said, once again, this was the chart. Again, I sent it the next day, 19. That if it stays below again 83, then we go back to the same number, and probably below that 80.53, then 80.09 as well. Not in one day, obviously, because each and every pair has its own range for a day. So and once it's reached, let's say if the pair has an average range is 150, it may go to 200 maybe, but it's not gonna do 400 in one day. So stays around the average daily range. So this was the plan, and what happened after that, you can see that we drop exactly there, 81.37. On Friday we close here. Okay, and let me show you the Magic Wave entries for this drop. You see, this is the idea. Once you know the turning point, you say, okay, we're gonna drop, we're gonna go down. So what is the scenario? When do I confirm that we are dropping, and when do I make an entry in the market? So that's where the handy the Magic Wave strategy comes handy, because if you look into, where did that pair go? This is how you do it. So that was on 13, right? March 13. We'll go back and we see if we get our Magic Wave setup on March 13. March 11, 12, I went too far back. March 13. Am I pound Aussie? Okay. March 12. 13 started from here. No, that was not March 13. What was the date on that chart? What am I doing here? Let me see. Up here, the chart date, I'm confused. Here was 19, sorry. Okay, so after 1920, we will see if we can find the entries, right? So March, excuse me. This is 18, and this is also 18. This is 19. and right around here, that area is, see, it's 320, and here you have starting having an entry here, 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 and again starting having here, here, here. All of these are entries according to my rules and this bottom indicators. This is a perfect entry here. Even this one, the last one, the smallest one, gave you 40 pips, 40, 50 pips. Okay, so this is how powerful it is with the analysis that I send out the charts, and you can just take this magic wave strategy and practice on your own, or just subscribe and then get all these charts in the email. Let me show you some more charts which I send out. For example, this, okay, this was let me show you, I sent out here March 13, must stay below this, then go here. This is a yen index, and it is very important to watch these indexes because they tell you how the individual currency is doing, either getting strong or weak. Yen index dropping means yen is going to get stronger, and if it is on the right hand side, which is always, yen is on the right hand side on each pair, then if the yen gets strong, the pair drops. So let's go and let me show you what happened on, let's say, euro yen. Okay, for example, we go and see euro yen on March 13. What happened? Euro yen here. Okay. By the way, euro yen March 7th, I already sent out a chart that we're gonna drop from here, and we are already here. We dropped more than 300 pips. So I had this big chart on euro yen as well before chart. I sent that out to my subscribers. Okay, let me show you what happened after that. Let me see if I have it here. No. Well, okay, so this is the chart, and euro yen, gotta go here. Okay, 1 minute, let me show you on a 1 minute euro yen on 13 what happened. This is what happened on 13. All these entries to the downside, all these entries to the downside, all the way. Okay, after that yen index chart I sent out. Similarly on pound yen, same, see March 13, you can see here, and it's a piece of cake once you understand this, all these patterns, and even if you don't understand, you get my chart and then you follow. That's all. Okay, if I'm sleeping, you can see this what's happening according to the chart. Okay, and then start taking it. You don't have to wait for me either, and it's very easy. What else I can show you? Yeah, let's say USD pairs, right? So first, let's see what happened on the, I have it here. So that's the question. Okay, USDX. USDX is this. Even though I'm always tracking, but I'm not gonna go too far. The video is gonna be big. But here, the wave 5 was finished as I planned, and as I mentioned that we're gonna drop for wave 5 from here to here, and it did. Then I said we're gonna go ABC correction. So for the wave A, we finish here. Now this chart was telling that we're gonna drop for wave B and then go for C. So drop means USDX index, US dollar index dropping means USD will get weaker. When USD get weaker, let's say Euro USD, and USD gets weaker, USD on the right hand side, then that pair goes up. Okay, all the USD pair where USD is on the right hand side will go up. So if it's dropping, and this is the chart on 11th March, let me go and see what happened on Euro USD. Let's say if I have it here, I have everything here, but Euro USD, where Euro USD is here, March 11, right? Okay, what is this? March. Okay, the next day, March 12. You see that? It bounces from here, what I have written here. Okay, see, this is a big number. This is also SNR number, 3836 on Euro USD. So it bounced from this number, and USD index telling us that USD is going to get weaker, that Euro USD is going to fly high. It bouncing from that number, coming above these lines. This is my stack, and then give you a nice, beautiful entry to go all the way. Look at it, non-stop. This is how powerful it is. Also on even on the Euro USD, I had some decent charts that I sent out before charts. I got too many, so I don't want to show all of them in a one video, because otherwise it's going to be a 2-hour video. Okay, so this is just basically basic touch, or let's say this index. This is what Aussie index. Okay, before chart, so was going to make a head and shoulder. Left shoulder is here, head is here. That said, it's going to make a right hand shoulder, and then once the head and shoulder is finished, we go up in the opposite direction, right? So just watch what happened here. It's coming down, got there, shoulder is finished, then we're going to go up, right? So I made another chart that we're going to go up now, and so far we are already here, by the way. You can go and check the chart. I don't have a chart. So this is how I track perfectly and indexes, and you can go and see. This is this helped me. This is strength helped me actually in pound Aussie dropping, and we twice we made a couple of hundred pips right there last week, just last week. Okay, from 83 number dropping to 81.37. Simple, because Aussie was getting strong right from here. Okay, so this is how it is. Come and join, subscribe, and if one or two of these charts, before charts, because these are on daily, and if they start working, they give you a couple of hundred pips. And believe me or not, a lot of people out there, even if they make 100 pip a day, a week, they are more than happy. But if you will make, my subscribers, some of them make 300, 400, 500 easy every week. They send me emails and webinar. They tell me, oh, I did this, I did that. Okay, so this is it for now. If I have anything else exciting to show. Right, so this, what is this? Euro yen, pound yen. So now the week is, no, we are here already. That's a lot of setups today, by the way. Pound USD, pound index. Okay, it's on the very, very good setups, and we are ready to hit it hard next week. So come and join and start learning. I do teach all of these, by the way. It's not that I just send out these charts that are short and long and all that, but I teach how to make these. What are these? Let me just show you that, what are, okay. For example, this harmonic patterns, okay? So let me, oh man, this thing. All right, these are the patterns that I made, and you see, it's all of my, how you trade, like this one, for example. Okay, let me open it up. See, this is a bearish butterfly, right? It ends around 127 and 1.618 at D, and then drop. This is the idea. Then when it's get to D, then drop. But my specialty is that I find the point C, and I calculate the possibility that we are going towards point D. And look at that. It's a long way, long distance to go there. It's a lot of pippage. So this is my idea. The trade number one is buy at point C. Don't wait for, to get to D and then drop. We may not drop. You're waiting all this time just to see that it's keep going. What's the point? So buy at point C. If it's holding here, you have all the calculation, all the other studies, some strong support number here. Then you watch it, that if it is holding, the price start going above the wave, giving the entries. You make an entry and you see it on a break even. And start watching it grow slowly, go up towards D, and then catch it out around here and see if it start dropping and gets below the wave, magic wave, and then start giving you short setups. Then you get into the short side. And trade number two is the break of point B. Still, if you have one entry here, it keep going, wobbling and going, and then you break the point B, then it's certain that we're going to go to point D, then a second buy at point break E, and then the third one, you cash those out, and the third trade, sell at the completion of butterfly pattern if it start dropping. And if it gives you the short setups. So this is, all the mumbo jumbo, and this is harmonic patterns. And similarly, I have Elliott wave. Okay, how they work, what are they, and what are these small head and shoulders, what are the locations it shows up, and also let's see the triangles. Let me show you this other side, how this wave makes the channels, and okay, with Elliott wave and harmonic patterns, I think it's somewhere else. So anyway, this is it. So this is how I do and how I teach in the webinars, and you just saw all those recent entries. Right? This is how it works. This is how the setup is, and in the bottom you have MagicWave indicators that confirming that, yeah, this is the candle, this is the setup to take. The first one also was a setup. This is all, nice one. This is also again a setup, and then you have this one probably on a 5-minute chart. You see this will you'll see a nice setup here with indicators in line. So you have setups coming in 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, and as long as your analysis saying that, okay, we're gonna go up, or USD getting weaker, then you start longing all these USD pairs, Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD. So this is it. All right, so visit my website and see if you like it, and if you do, join us. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.